Alright, so a little update on the Prelude. As you can tell, I got new wheels. I got rid of those ugly Koenig wheels that came on the car when I bought it. These are RSX Type S wheels, the 05 and 06. They're 17 by 7, and I believe the older model, the 04 and under, I think they're 16 by 6.5. So I went with these ones because they're wider and there's more tire sizes for this size. And I also got a Type S lip that I picked up. Only got it for 30 bucks. It's a authentic OEM Type S lip. And the side skirts, those are the stock side skirts and the stock back lip. I just got them color matched. They were originally black. Also got the side mirrors painted. Not these ones, the new ones are in the trunk. These are just spares. And what else have I done? Oh, I got the windows tinted. It's 15% Suntech ceramic. And got some OEM hardware for the lip. Got lucky, found this on eBay. And I'm also gonna install this molding weather strip that goes between that lip and the front bumper. I mean, you don't have to put this, but I guess it makes it look better a little. Also, it keeps like the bumper from getting scratched or debris or water from getting in between the lip and the bumper. So I'm gonna just put that in there. It's a small little touch, small little detail that I think will look good on the car. Yeah, so these wheels, I found these on OfferUp, and I've been looking for a while for the 05 and 06 Type S wheel. I couldn't find anything. I got desperate, and I think I paid a little too much for these. I found a guy parting out a shell, a RSX Type S shell, and he had these wheels. So I messaged him. I told him I'll give him my Koenig wheels plus cash, and I ended up giving him 280 bucks plus the wheels, which I think he got a better deal. But you know, I was kind of desperate. I couldn't find these, especially in this size, the 17 by 7. So I ended up just biting the bullet on that. But I like him. They look nice. Looks OEM. Looks like it came with the car. I also got new tires. The old tires that were on these before were shot, so I had to get rid of those. I ended up getting some Goodyear Exhilarate, and so far I like him. Also got these clear side markers. I think the original one was orange or amber. Yeah, it's coming along. Just need to lower it a little. Oh yeah, so this lip right here, this Type S lip, it was 30 bucks, but when I first got it, it was super beat up. I mean, it was like paint chips. It was like scratched, had a bunch of gouges and stuff, and now it's all fixed. Looks brand new. I'll try to put a picture up on how it looked before. Yeah, it looks brand new. They did a good job. Also bought this little kit right here. You can buy this on Amazon or eBay, but these are like clips for the back lip and the side skirts. So you know, the original ones, when I was taking them off, some of them cracked and they're just so old and brittle. So I'm gonna replace everything with new plastic clips. And this is cheap. I think this was only like 25 bucks. And there's a lot in here, different sizes. As you can tell, there's like 70 pieces of that, 90 pieces of that one. So it's getting all new plastic clips. She's looking good. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is clean this this top part with alcohol so the adhesive can stick better up here. Alright, so it's all done, and that's how it looks. Looks really nice. I wonder if these came with the weather strip from factory, because I know the S2000 lips come with the molding like this. But yeah, that's how it looks. Alright, so my battery died and I switched to a different camera. So this one's gonna look a little wider.